Hi guys, it's Kamala. This is Everything Beauty Sleep, the place to come when you want to learn how to get better hair and skin as you sleep so that you conquer the day in style. And today I'm going to talk all about 3 simple ways to rescue your hair from damage and to make it healthier. So here are my 3 tips that work for me. And the very first thing that I have to say is 1, don't do daily hair washes. I mean, as counterintuitive to having healthy hair as it sounds, as the entire shampoo conditioner industry might have sold us, it's not good for your hair to wash it every single day. And one of the beautiful products that has popped up in the hair care industry is dry shampoo. And the reason why we love dry shampoo as much as we do is because not only does it work, but it helps to reduce the need to have to wash your hair every day. I love the way it's so good. This stuff freaking rocks. Get a little sample from from Sephora or whatever. Sorry, my nail polish is hideous. I have to get it done. but try the Ouai shampoo. Totally amazing. I also am loving Joico. This stuff has been rocking for me. It's their dry shampoo and I completely love it. So I have been processing my hair as a blonde for a couple of years now, and I have been a very bright blonde, which means that there's a little bit more damage to my hair because I'm going up so many levels from what is the natural hair color I have going on here. So I make sure that I don't wash my hair every day. And the other thing that your hairstylist will tell you is if you color your hair, don't wash it every day, because every time you expose it to water and shampoos, it is actually pulling the hair color from the hair shaft. So you take the time, you spend the resources, you want to extend your color treated hair for as long as possible, and the best way to do it is to not wash it all the time. The extra bonus on top of that is that it helps to make your hair healthier. So step 2 of how to make your hair healthier is reduce exposure to heat tools. One of the awesome things about putting step 1 into action is that you won't have the need to do a blowout. Blowouts are so amazing for making our hair look polished and finished, but unfortunately it's not good to do a blowout every single day. So here is something to keep in mind. When you choose to not wash your hair, you wake up, you use your dry shampoos. I also, this is my Joico texture boost, and this stuff is like really awesome. Yep, this stuff is like so amazing because it just is a dry spray wax, so it helps add a little bit more texture to my hair so that I can use a heat tool like a flat iron, and then I I swear, look how few curls I toss into my hair, because you really don't need a lot. For myself, I love that sort of undone, tousled beach wave look, or these sort of S waves that are in style right now, and this product helps me to achieve that, as well as just doing a couple of twists on a flat iron to sort of achieve the look that I have going today. It is so much healthier to do that as opposed to doing a daily blowout. So the final step that I want to talk about is 3. I own a company called Madison & Ouai. We sell beauty tools that work as you sleep. We sell pillowcases that work as you sleep to help your hair and your skin. And our satin pillowcases are phenomenal because of the smooth surface that allows your hair to slip and move and not damage your blowout that you did either that day or maybe a day before, or it helps to extend your blowout, which is wonderful. It also, that super smooth surface also helps to reduce the amount of hair breakage. And the other phenomenal aspect about ditching a cotton pillowcase, and that's what step 3 is all about, is that when you ditch a cotton pillowcases are water-loving fibers, and they love to suck the moisture out of our hair. So if you switch over to a Madison & Ouai satin pillowcase, this is going to be a luxurious sleep experience still, but it's going to help benefit your hair by extending your blowout, by not pulling the natural levels of hydration from your hair or from your skin, and you're going to wake up with your hair ready to go. I mean, literally, I wake up, I'll just use a comb, comb out my hair. Maybe I'll add in a couple of waves like I did today to just sort of just add some texture and make it more interesting. And then that's it, I'm done. Leave me your favorite tips for helping you get healthy, naturally strong hair. What are your best tips? I'm like, So, okay, and if you haven't subscribed to Everything Beauty Sleep, go ahead and click the subscribe button, ring that bell, because I promise to bring you a lot more content that's gonna help your hair and your skin as you sleep so that you wake up ready to conquer the day. And if you haven't headed over to Madison and Ouai to see the blog component to this channel, what are you doing right now? You gotta head over there, check it out, whenever you have a chance. I'd love to connect with you further there. You'll also get the Everything Beauty Sleep bullet journal for free when you sign up for emails. So I think that's about it. I hope that you are on a path to repairing your hair, making it strong so that it's healthy, sleek, and gorgeous every day that you wake up.